it's your guy Robert here. I'm just going to do a short video about our workshop, and it's located at Githurai 45. Guys, work with me and watch this video. This is where we store our products and towels. Here is our towels, guys, and these are the products that we are not using, like bavers, this scrub, this is cuticle gel remover, massage gel, scrapers, gloves, and all those stuff. And here are our gels, guys. We use Loniki, and we have Loniki and Blue Sky. Guys, as you can see, we have our gels over here, and we have some products of makeup. To open a foundation, lipsticks, and lip balm and eyeliners. As you can see, guys, see everything. Here we have products for nails. We have here, this is what we call overlay. This is powder overlay. It's also like acrylic. Let's say it's acrylic powder, but we use it as overlay. We dip your nails here. If you want strong nails, there's something like that. And here is our gum gel. When you utaka to extend makucha, let's follow it. And we have a builder gel here. And we do tips. We do makeups, we do gum gel, overlay, all those stuff. And work with me and watch with me. I'm watching some Grouch wake up call with Grouch. We have other gels here, guys, as you can see. Yeah, some polish, but we don't have those many customers, a lot of clients for polish, because people have upgraded. People doesn't do that much polish. They just do gel on their toes. And we have a machine massage. It's used to do massage kwa tumbo na kwa mgongo. I just show you when my colleagues arrive. They haven't arrived yet. I'll show you how we use the tool, guys. Just watch the video. It's our small workshop. That's our chairs for pedi. That's where we do our pedicure. As you can see, guys, it's not that big. We are thankful to God because of this. That's one of our workstation, and we have another one there. Yes, as you can see, we are located at Githurai 45, guys, next to Naivas Supermarket. And my number is over. I will put my number there. It's 0799589662. Let me repeat it again. 0799589662. And there is another one, 0791552735.